Come on in, y'all. This one pan ground beef and noodle recipe is simple, budget friendly, and absolutely delicious. You know, I'll show you how to put it all together. Y'all know what this is. Take off. Here we go, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started and go over the ingredients. I have my ground beef here. I'll be using some egg noodles, some bell peppers, onions, garlic. We'll be needing some Worcestershire sauce, condensed French onion soup, some beef broth and a little butter, and some cheese. And I'll have a full list of all the ingredients down below in the description box. Let's make it. So first thing, let's go ahead and start on our ground beef. I like to just go in and spread it out some. Sit a few minutes just to develop some color. Then after a few minutes, I just like to come in, mix it all up, go ahead and break it up. And then add in the bell peppers and onions. And just go ahead and give this a mix, work that all in. And continue to break up your meat and cook until everything is no longer pink. So once your meat is no longer pink, go ahead and drain it if needed. Go in with your garlic and go ahead and season it up. I'm using a no salt, onion, and herb. Some black pepper. Remember to season to your taste and use your favorite seasoning. Gonna go easy on the salt because we're using the condensed soup, so just a touch of all-purpose. You can always taste and adjust later. Onion powder and some garlic powder. Gonna work this in for about 30 seconds or so. You already know you'll start to smell that garlic. Now we can add in the Worcestershire sauce, our condensed soup. I'm using a whole can, and the beef broth. You're gonna add in your egg noodles and give everything a good mix. I like to go in and give the noodles a slight press. And now all that's left to do is go ahead and pop a lid on and let it cook 10 to 12 minutes or until your noodles are tender. And now you do want to come in periodically and give everything a good mix. Make sure nothing is sticking. And if it starts to get too thick for you, you can always just add in a splash more beef broth. And just pop the lid back on and continue to cook. Now once your noodles are done, now is a good time to go ahead and taste and adjust any seasonings. I like to add in the butter, but that's optional. Get that a mix. Get it nice and melted. Smooth that over. Turn your skillet off. Add in your cheese on top. I'm using mozzarella, but you can use your favorite cheese. Just pop that lid back on and let the residual heat melt the cheese. It'll take about a minute or two. Come back and show y'all what it's looking like. And that's it, and that's all it is to it, y'all. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. Always, thank y'all for watching. Leave your girl a comment and subscribe for the deliciousness. Happy Sunday, and y'all know the vibes. Be blessed.